You can also generate images as you like by using Google Gemini. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say generate an image of a cat drinking coffee in the morning in front of a laptop right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then it says here, yeah, sure. Here is an image of a cat drinking coffee in the morning in front of a laptop right here. So it does take a bit of time for the processing to happen right here. And there you go. You can see that there's the cat right here. And then there's the laptop drinking coffee right here. And it created 4 variations, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is what you have in different styles, as you can see right here. You can also go around and generate more right here, and it'll generate more out of it right here. So you can see that it is loading right here, just like this. And it'll create more similar images right here. You can also go around and tell it to make this in a specific style. So I'm going to go around and say generate this image in a 2D cartoon style right here. Let's say, for example, so if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it says absolutely right here and starts generating it out in 2D cartoon style. So you can see that it's starting to generate, and you can see that it is more of a 2D cartoon style now, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here, and that is how you can utilize you can generate images inside of Gemini, and you can even download out the image right here for use. So you can see that I can go around and then download out the full size right here, just like this, and then it'll get downloaded right here, just like this as well. And then you can see that I can open it up as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, just like this. So this is how you can go around and utilize Google Gemini in order to generate images. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.